your notebooks. Keep your notebooks ready. You are going to write in the notebooks today. Good morning, everyone. Please open your notebooks today. Good morning.
Yeah, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Open your notebooks, everyone. We are going to write today. We are going to solve the addition sums.
Okay.
Okay, how to add the two capacities if they are given. For example, there is one bottle and there is one, see, I'm not very good in drawing, one jug, right? In this one bottle, the water is 1 liter 500
Please do
milliliter.
your some ma'am, we have to do this. Ma'am, please do camera off.
Okay, wait. Now check. Is this
Ma'am, we have
visible?
to type this. No, ma'am. I don't. Chapter 7. I can't see.
You write. You write. I have already dictated. Write the chapter 7. Write the topic. Add the following capacities. Today we
Ma'am,
are going to learn how to add the 2 or 3 different measurement capacities if are given to you, how you will add. Am I clear to
ma'am,
everyone? Yes.
ma'am, you have to draw this
No,
bottle and
no,
Ma'am,
no.
I
When I
cannot
will,
see.
children, when I will say start writing, then you write till that you first understand the topic. Am I clear to everyone?
Yeah.
Okay. Now check. Wait. Now check. Is this visible now to everyone?
Yes.
Show me
yes,
the
ma'am.
thumbs up.
Ma'am, fully visible. Full board.
Good.
Then, but it's somehow blurred. Ma'am, we have
Within,
to draw this.
No, ma'am, it is not blur. It is not blur.
should I start my class, my dear children? Keep your mics
We
off,
have to
please.
draw this.
Parmita,
Mama,
keep
when
your
you
mic
spell, I
off.
cannot
Let me
see you.
explain. You first have to understand you are not going to draw anything. You first have to understand what is the addition of capacities, right? Addition of capacities means, for example, if I have a water, you are understanding the topic right now. You are not writing. So sit straight, everyone. Fold your hands back straight. Everyone sit straight. For example, in one bottle, the water capacity is 1 liter 500 milliliter. And in this jug, the water capacity is 750 milliliter only. So if I say add the capacity of water bottle and the capacity of jug, add the both, then how you will add? My question is from Dhyan
Ma'am,
Shillai. Dhyan, how you will add?
एक्सक्यूज मी रेनू मैम,
Yes, ma'am.
खेवना को स्क्रीन बिल्कुल भी नहीं दिख रही है मैम.
Ma'am, can you switch off and switch on the camera, please?
हाँ, 2 बार किया, रिजॉइन भी किया, लेकिन नहीं हो रहा है.
Just a minute, ma'am. I'll ask the other children. Children, is my screen visible to everyone? Show me thumbs up only.
Yeah,
Don't
ma'am.
click on the mic.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. I cannot see. Ma'am.
Ma'am, not blur.
Yes,
Visible.
Anushka. Anushka, yes, tell me.
Ma'am, sometimes your voice is breaking.
If everyone keep their mics off, my voice will be clear. If you keep your mics on frequently, then you will see the echoing.
मैम, खेवना को तो दिख ही नहीं रहा है, वो कैसे लिखेगी?
Ma'am, just a minute. I will log out and log in again then.
ओके मैम.
ATR water.
Now check, ma'am. Khevna. Khevna, please check now.
Please shift your laptop.
Now check.
मैम कांट देख ही नहीं रहा, नहीं दिख रहा अभी.
Ma'am, visible.
Shook
Ma'am, please check now.
with
नहीं दिख रहा है मैम.
laugh.
Children, is it visible to everyone?
Ma'am, what did you do till now?
Ma'am, visible. Ma'am, it is visible.
मैम कांट विजिबल मैम.
Ma'am, she should also log out and log in again.
Big.
Because I am visible to everyone. Only one or two child is facing the difficulty.
Ma'am, what did you do till now?
Ayush, I will repeat again. Till now we were adjusting, right?
Okay.
Okay. Today, good morning everyone. Today's our topic is we are going to learn how to add the capacities. Right. Today we are going to learn the addition. So, if I say the capacity of this water bottle, this is the water bottle. The capacity of, and this is the jug. The capacity of this water bottle is 1 liter 500 milliliter. And the capacity of this jug is 750 milliliter. So, if I say add the capacity of water bottle and the jug, what will be the total? Who will add? Can only raise their hands and tell me. Yes, Parinika. Will you able to add this? The capacity of water bottle and the capacity of jug and tell me the total capacity? Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, 2 liter, 250.
Vihan, I will mute you. I am asking Parinika only. And sit properly, Vihan. Sit properly. Keep your camera or phone on your lap.
Ma'am, I can't see your board properly.
Dhruv, please answer me now. Dhruv Patel. How you will add this 1 liter 500 milliliter and 750 milliliter? Yes.
Ma'am, 2 liter and 250 milliliter.
200, 2 liter and 250 milliliter. Okay.
Yes.
Let me check how you added.
Ma'am, I put 700 milliliter, 1 liter and 500.
Yes. We make two columns. One is for liter and one is for milliliter. We write the liters in the liter column. So here 1 liter will go in the liters column and 500 milliliter will go in the 500 milliliter column. Next is only there is 750 milliliter. There is nothing in liters with the jug.
Ma'am, we will write in liter 20 and in milliliter we will like 750.
Yes, we write 0 and we write 20. Why we write 20? We write 10 also.
Yes.
Yes, and here we write 750 milliliter. So please note it is compulsory that in milliliter there should be 3 digits. Am I clear to everyone? It is compulsory that in milliliter 3 digits should come. Yes.
Ma'am, if there are two. Ma'am,
Can you say one more time because there was a technical issue?
Okay. Yes, Rudra.
Ma'am, so if there are 2 digits, so we have to put 1 0 at the
I
back.
will come on that also. Riva, as we were doing the addition, yes. So I divided the two columns. One is for liter column and the another is for milliliter column. First is this is having the liter also. 1 liter will go in the liters column and 500 milliliter will go in the milliliter column. And the next one is having only 750 milliliter. It's not having anything in the liters. So we put the 0 in the liters and write the 750 in the milliliters. Right? It is compulsory that there should 3 digits should come. Now when you add this, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 5 is 5, 5 plus 7 is, who will tell me what is 5 plus 7? Yes, Riva.
12.
12. I am writing 12 here. Am I correct?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yes.
One will go in liter. One will go in liter. One will be borrowed. And the one will
Very good. Switch off your mics now. Excellent. Switch off your mics. We will not write 4 digits here. So this one will go here, carry over, and will be added in the liters. So it will be 2 liters and 250 milliliters. So the final answer is 2 liters, 250 milliliters. This way we add the capacities. Now, for example, one more example I will give you. After that, I will give you the other sums to write down in the notebook. For example, if you are adding 2 liters, 85 milliliters.
Ma'am, I can't
Ma'am, it is
hear you.
blurred.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Which child is this? Children, please, 1 or 2 seconds you have to wait. There might be the connectivity problem, and then you will able to see and hear me clearly. And sit properly. I don't want any movements in the class. I can't sit properly. Please don't move your cameras. Vihan, sit properly. Please don't move your cameras. Vihan, you are not at the proper place.
Ma'am, light's gone.
It's okay now. So if I say add 2 liter 85 milliliter and 1 liter 6 milliliter. Now, as I said, you should please check. There should be 3 digits in the milliliter. It is compulsory. So when you divide this liter and milliliter column, write the liters in the liter column. 2 will go here. 85 will go here. For next, 1 will go here and 6 will, only 6 milliliter. So where you will write the 6 milliliter, Man Rajodia will tell me the answer. Man Rajodia. Under which digit I will write the 6?
Ma'am, after 8.
Here I will write under 6, 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So now, here in the first one, only 2.
Ma'am, we have to add 0 behind it and 2 zeros behind 6.
We will not write behind. We will write before the number. Lakshya, are you getting me?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am, then it will not be 850.
No. It is 85 only. So we write 0.
Ma'am, 91 milliliter and 91 milliliter and
Hello.
3 milliliter.
We will check, right, Lakshya? And in 6, we add the 2 zeros in front. We will not the zeros at the back. We will add the zeros before the number. Yes, Riva.
Ma'am, can I drink water?
No, wait for a minute. Let me complete this. Then again, you will face the difficulty. Now add them. 5 plus 6.
11.
11. So we write 1 here, 1 will go here. I'll tell the child name, that child only will answer me. I asked Jen. Can you please add this column?
Ma'am, I want to tell.
Lakshya, wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please add 8 plus
Ma'am.
1? Yes.
Ma'am, I know.
Ma'am, I can.
Now
Ma'am,
check.
I also know. Ma'am, 3 liter 91 ml.
Renu ma'am, can I intervene?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Arna Agarwal, are you sitting properly? Man Rajodia?
Ma'am, 91 milliliter and 3 liter.
Lakshya, please
Everybody
wait.
sit straight. Yes, ma'am, please carry on. I'm here only, so I want everybody sitting very, very straight.
Ma'am, what you asked, I can't use.
Just a minute.
Ma'am, you carry on.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Renu ma'am, one more thing. Lot of students have switched off their camera.
Yes,
Riddhi
ma'am.
Goyal, Tabassim Khan, Trisha Chandrana, Vivan Balchandani, Trisha Chandrana, Riddhi Goyal. You switch on your camera or I will have to say bye to you. Araman Shanghai, Arna Agarwal, Khevna Ankolia, Ekant Jain, Araman
Actually,
Shanghai,
ma'am.
last call.
Ma'am, actually, my dad is testing the setup of the projector at the home, so that's why he off the light.
Okay, Adna, you can say this in the chat box also, alright? I don't want
Ma'am,
to
my
go.
laptop is only I'm trying to on my camera. That's why my camera.
I want the answers in the chat box. Do we understand this? Chat box में लिखेंगे. We are not opening our mics. Nek Italia, Mittaq Motiwala, Riddhi Goyal, last call Riddhi, Vivan Balchandani, Trisha Chandrana.
Ma'am, I have one machine of milliliter or liter.
Swati
One
ma'am,
machine I have.
Lakshya, wait.
Swati ma'am. Swati ma'am. Ma'am, you carry on.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. So, Lakshya, yes. Tell me. Lakshya, you are there? Yes, Ayansh.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the addition of this column. We have done 5 plus 6 is 11. 1 will be here, 1 will go carry over. The next add
Yes.
this now.
9.
Very good. Next, what we put here? This. Ayu Singhania. What will come here?
0 because 0 plus 0 is 0.
Yes. Next, Farzan. Add this liters column.
What, ma'am?
Add liters column. We were doing the addition, right?
3 liters.
So what will be the answer now? What will be the answer? How many liters and how many milliliters?
Ma'am, 3 liter and 91 milliliter.
Very good. Now I'm going to show you one video based on same, the topic which we are doing today. And after that, I will give you few questions to write in the notebook.
Ma'am, see this glass.
Yes, we will learn about this later now. Lakshya?
Ma'am, this
Ayush,
glass.
Addition and
Ayush, please guide me whether it is audible and visible.
subtraction of capacity measures.
It's all
We have learned the method of adding kilograms and grams earlier. we use the same method to add liters and milliliters. We take an example to illustrate the method of addition of capacity measures. Add 18 liters, 750 milliliters and 12 liters, 90 milliliters. Arrange the values of liters and milliliters in columns. Write 90 milliliters as 090 milliliters. Add milliliters to milliliters and liters to liters like whole numbers. The sum is 30 liters, 840 milliliters.
Please write this question which is here on the screen. Please write it in your notebooks. Solve this in your notebooks, please.
Ma'am, we have to just do the sum.
You have to do the way it is given on the screen. Add 18 liter 750 milliliter and 12 liter 90 milliliter. Arrange them in columns and then add.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, done.
Everyone is writing. Show me thumbs up. Ayansh, what happened? You facing the difficulty today?
Ma'am, done.
Ayansh,
Ma'am,
any difficulty, my dear?
ma'am, I can not see the heading properly.
It is there on the screen. Now, you just write this. No need to write that addition of capacity. That is written on the board also. Add the following, right?
कैपेसिटी मेजरमेंट लिखा हुआ है
Addition and subtraction, it is written. You just only write add the capacity measures. Now clear, Ayansh?
Yes, ma'am.
Now study the following
Wait a minute.
example. Subtract 30 liters from all numbers. The sum is 30 liters.
Ma'am, 1 minute. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, my dear.
Ma'am, you are giving more sums in the board, no?
Yes, I will give you more sums also.
Okay, ma'am, because it was coming subtract the following, so I was confused.
No. We today only will learn about addition.
Okay, ma'am.
Those who have done that, they please pin on my board screen. I'm going to write few questions on my board and you have to solve it in your notebook. So write the number 2. 1 is already given on the screen. Second number I'm writing on my board. Please write down. See, it is not compulsory that you have to add the two capacities. It is 3 also, 4 also, right? So when you add 37 liter, 215 milliliter and
Ma'am, your board is blurred.
Rihan, you have to wait for few
Yes, ma'am, it's okay. Ma'am, but your board is blurred.
Rihan, I'm saying something. You please listen to that also. Few seconds you have to wait. After that, it will be perfect. 43 liters, 45 milliliter, and 630 liters, 230 milliliter. Here you have to add three values. First is 37 liter, 215 milliliter. Second is 43 liter, 45 milliliter, and 630 liter, 430 milliliter. And first of all, you have to arrange them in the columns. I think this one is done, everyone. Children, the sum which is there on the screen is done by everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Add the sum first of all, arrange them in the columns and add and find the answer.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, the sum which you have written on the board, we have to do.
Yes. Everyone has to do in their notebooks. Please note there are three different capacities. 1, 2, and the third one. Arrange them in the columns and add.
Ma'am, I have get the answer.
Very good. You first wait for everyone.
Ma'am, can I write in the chat box?
Yes, those who have done, they write the answer in the chat box.
Ma'am, we have to write the answer in the chat box.
Yes, after completing in the notebook. Risha, keep your mic, camera on. Put your camera on.
Ma'am, you are saying to me?
No, Prisha. I'm saying to Prisha, not Prisha.
Ma'am, is my camera blur?
Yes, your camera is blurred. Please write down fast. Write answer in the chat box.
Ma'am, we have to send the photo.
Photo of what?
The sums.
No. Solve it now in the class. This is the classwork. Okay, I will arrange it. 37 will go in the liters and 215 will go in the milliliters. Then 43 and then 45. So I'm writing here. Is it correct?
No, ma'am,
If it is not
it is
correct,
not
you
correct.
put the thumb down. If it is correct, put the thumb up. Yes, it is not correct. So I have to write from the back 5 and 4 here. What I will write here, Prisha?
710 liter.
You will add 0.
Zero. Ma'am, 710 liter, 490 milliliter.
Let me check. Then is 230 milliliter and 630 liters. So I will write 630 liters. Am I correct? No.
Ma'am,
I
no.
will write 0 here under 3 and 7. 3 here and 6 will go here. So I write 0 here because here are the 3 digits and add. Please add 7 plus 3 is what, Riva? Riva, you are writing in your books?
Ma'am, I have done
Okay,
it.
can you please tell me what is 7 plus 3?
710.
Yeah,
First, you have to add. You have to add from here, or you have to add in
no,
here.
ma'am.
Milliliters.
If I can.
Milliliters.
Yes.
From
Rahil, Rahil, tell me what will come here.
10.
Ma'am, 10.
Okay, I will write 10 here. Right?
Ma'am, 9.
Am I correct?
Carry over.
Children, wait. I'm asking from Rahil only. Rahil,
One will go carry over.
children, I'm asking Rahil only. You understand, no, my language?
Ma'am, it is wrong.
Put your mics off, please. Other children. Yes, Rahil. Rahil, you told that 5
Why
plus
in
5.
every class, every time the teacher has to tell you to switch off your mics? Everybody, all of you together, you cannot start speaking. Your teacher is getting disturbed. You don't understand that? Concentrate on what she is teaching.
Ma'am, I know the answer.
So,
Lakshya, wait for your turn.
you don't want others to learn? Karna, pay attention properly.
Rahil, you said 5 plus 5 is 10 and I have written 10 together here. Am I right or wrong?
Ma'am, wrong.
So what should I put here only?
Ma'am, 0.
Yes. And where the 1 will go?
Ma'am, in 1, carry over.
Yes. Next, Lakshya, can you please add this column?
9. 1. 1 plus 4, 5. 9. 8.
Only Lakshya will give. Please others
Ma'am,
keep
8.
their mics off. I am
8
really
or 9. 9 answer.
9. Lakshya, put your mic off. Karnav, can you please add this column? 2 plus 2.
Ma'am, 4.
Yes. Next, Lamha, 7 plus 3.
Ma'am, 7 plus 3 will be 10. And carry over will go on 3.
Jahan Agarwal. Next. Jahan Agarwal.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me. Add this column. Jahan Agarwal, switch on your camera and add and tell me the answer.
Ma'am, carry over.
What carry over? Add this column and tell me the answer. What will be the answer? Switch on your camera.
11.
Switch on your camera first.
Yes, ma'am.
And your camera is still not on.
Karna Patel.
Ma'am, now it is on.
Yes. Tell me what will be the answer.
Ma'am, the total of this is 11.
So what I will write 11 together, or what I will write here?
You will carry over 1 in the hundreds place and 1 in the tens place.
Yes. Next, Jahan Zariwala. Jahan Zariwala,
Yes, ma'am.
in the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Switch on your camera.
Yes.
Yes. Now tell me what will come here when you add this column, the 100 place.
And what?
When you add this hundreds place, what will come here?
7.
Good. So what is the total answer? You only will tell me.
710 liters and 490 milliliters.
Very good. I hope everyone completed this in their notebooks. I'm giving you one more example. And on the basis of today's topic, I have sent the Google form. I'm going to send it today. And you have to listen first. Listen. Then speak. you have to solve the all the sums in your notebook first and then click the final answer. Is it clear to everyone? Show me thumbs up.
Ma'am, we no answer.
Then also you have to solve it first in the notebook if you know the answers.
Ma'am, which you will show now, it is an example or we have to write?
You have to write the sums. These are sums or these are example, whatever you consider. Okay. So 625 liter, 150 milliliter, 55 liter, 750 milliliter, and 23 liter, 255 milliliter. Here also there are three things given and measurement of three values are given. You have to add them.
Friends, have patience. She must be facing some problem of net issues. Have patience, she will be back.
Yes, Swati ma'am, can you please check?
There, continue. Yes, she is back there.
Ma'am, is it visible clearly?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Your net was interrupted.
Ma'am, I have got the answer.
Ma'am, it is so blurred.
No, it is not blurred.
Ma'am, so blurred. Ma'am, it is blurred.
Stop complaining.
Children,
Ma'am,
please
it is
wait.
so blurred.
Children, please wait for 1 or 2 seconds. I instructed every time.
Ma'am, I have got the answer.
When you wait for 1 or 2 seconds, the screen will be perfect.
Ma'am, in liter, ma'am, and the last second in liter, it can be 2 digits also, or we have to put an 0.
Where? In liters. In liters, any digit. 1 digit also, then no need to put the 0. In liter, it can be 2 digit, 1 digit, 3 digit. There is no limitation of the liters. But in milliliters, you should have compulsory 3 digit because it 1000 is also having 3 zeros, right? 1 liter when converted into the milliliter, it will be how many milliliters? 1000 milliliters. So 1000 is having 3 zeros. So that is why we have to compulsory should have 3 values in the milliliters. Please put your mic off. Why every time the teacher has to remind you the same thing? Very good. Please give the answer in the chat box if you have done.
Ma'am, I have given you answer in the chat box. I have done.
Okay. Yes, I'm checking. Children are giving.
Ma'am, can we leave?
No.
It is not even 11:48. How can you leave?
Yes. And why you ask for this thing? Until
Yes,
the
you
teacher
are
will
not
not.
supposed to ask till the teacher tells you.
Yes, till the teacher will not say the class ends here. Till that you are not going to ask anything about that. Write the C sum if you have done the B1. 2 liters, 454 milliliter, 35 liter, 207 milliliter, and 54 liter, 635 milliliters. Solve these both the questions. We will check the answers tomorrow. 2 liter 454 milliliter and 35 liter 207 milliliter. Those who have completed A, B, C, all the three questions, they can leave. So we have learned today about the addition, measurement capacities.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you